Now let's try to debug the admin section. Switch to Java EE perspective, and this time we will debug the home servlet, admin home servlet class here. Set a breakpoint here in this Debug method. And you see this admin home servlet doesn't extend the base servlet class. Admin home servlet. It forwards the request to the index.jsp. So we don't debug this class. So we need to debug the list book servlet. No, list category servlet class here. List category servlet class here. Set a breakpoint here in this Debug method. You see this list category servlet class extends the base servlet class. Now let's set the admin, refresh and login.